Ding Rave application with friends is pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Wave application with friends. So we will go to our Wave application. It should be right here. So I'm just going to search for rewriter just so we can access it quickly now. Rear applications allow you to watch video friends that you guys can watch with friends at the same time. So as you can see, these are all guys watching the YouTube videos at the same time, so you can join them from the public right here. But if you want to use it with friend, you just have to not go to the friends, add friends. After adding the friends, you just have to after adding the financial, and then you have to select whatever the thing that you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy Netflix, you have to go to Netflix, you have to log in Netflix, uploading in with Netflix. You both guys have to log in on Netflix actually, so uploading in us will be able to watch movie at the same time. So that's pretty much it. That's how it will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.